To change one word in all of these text files instantly, all of your files must be in a single folder. Then open Notepad and enter the following script. Folder path is the path of the folder that contains the files. .txt is the file type you're targeting, and original is the word we're going to replace, and new is the word it's being replaced with. Select the path of the folder that contains the files and press Ctrl and C to copy. Then press Ctrl and V to replace the folder path in the script. Then enter the word you want to replace and the word you are replacing it with. Click File and Save As. Save it as a .ps1 file, which is a PowerShell script. From the Save As type drop down list, choose All Files, click Save, close your Notepad document, right click the PowerShell script file you've just created, choose Run with PowerShell. If it asks about changing the execution policy, click Y for yes and press Enter or Return on your keyboard, and the single word has been changed instantly in multiple files. Subscribe for more computer tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.